children, the last topic, it is a Tamur invasion. Amir Tamur, he invaded India in CE 1398. This is one of the question also. And this dealt a death blow to the Tughlaq Empire from which it could never recover. He set out from Samarkand and with the 92,000 horsemen to invade India. The weak Tughlaq government provided him with a golden opportunity to attack, and with the Tamur invasion, the dynasty founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq came to an end, and the Sayyid dynasty, it came into existence. Tamur plundered Delhi and killed many people and left the city only to beautify his capital with the plundered wealth. He appointed Genghis Khan as his deputy in India. Genghis Khan was the governor of Multan under the Tughlaq, but he joined Tamur when he attacked India. He started his campaign, defeated Daulata Khan and occupied the throne of Delhi. He laid the foundation of the Sayyid dynasty. Several Sayyid sultans, Mubarak Shah, Muhammad Shah, Alauddin Shah, they resigned in Delhi from CE 1414 to 51, but their authorities did not extend beyond the Punjab and the Dab. The later rulers of this dynasty was Alauddin Shah Sayyid. He was so weak that he surrendered the throne of Delhi to Bahlul Lodi, who was at that time the governor of Lahore and Sindh. With this, Lodi dynasty came to existence. Bahlul Lodi, he was the founder of the Lodi dynasty. He was a Afghan who was the governor of Punjab. And among the, you can say, Lodi rulers, Sikandra Lodi was the ablest. He tried his best to make his empire strong. He conquered Jaunpur, Bihar and the Gangetic Valley. The city of Agra was founded by him. He opted various mayors in order to improve the agriculture and economy of the country. He wanted to make people happy, and thus he took many steps in order to do the welfare of the people. Sikandra's successor was Ibrahim Lodi. He failed to gain the support of the Afghan nobles. They started fighting among themselves and also began plotting against the Sultan. Finally, Daulat Khan Lodi, the governor of Punjab and Ibrahim's uncle, invited Babur to invade India. So Babur did so in 1526 and founded the Mughal Empire in India. Babur defeated and killed Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat. Please underline, children, in CE 1526. So after defeating Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat, Babur brought down the end of the Delhi Sultanate and the beginning of the Mughal Empire in India. So children, here your chapter is over. Any doubt or anything which you will not be able to follow, please ask me in the class, or you can call me, or you can give me any question in WhatsApp. I will give you the answer. Question answers, back exercises already I have sent to you in your WhatsApp group. Please go through, please mark the correct answers. Don't write wrong spellings, write correct spellings in the fill-ups also, okay, and write question answers neatly. Clear, children? So this much is for today. Thank you, children. In the next video we will be doing our last chapter, that is the administration, society and culture under the Delhi Sultanate. Thank you, children.